If you've been investing in direct mutual fund plans and are now wondering how to switch to regular plans, you're not alone. It's a common question we get, and the good news is the process is quite straightforward. But before we jump into the steps, it's important to understand what's really happening when you make that switch. First off, switching from a direct plan to a regular plan or vice versa isn't like flipping a switch. It's treated as a redemption and a repurchase. In simple terms, you're selling your units in the direct plan and buying them again under the regular plan of the same fund. That means it's not just a technical shift, it has tax and cost implications that you should know about. First, you'll need to log into your mutual fund account directly through the AMC's website or app, navigate to the switch or transaction section, and from there, you choose the same fund's regular plan under the switch to option. Confirm your selection and submit the request, and that's it. On the surface, the execution is very simple. But here's where it gets very nuanced. Because this switch is treated as a redemption, capital gains tax may apply depending on how long you've held the fund. If it's a debt fund and you've held it for less than 3 years, or an equity fund for under a year, your gains will be taxed at short-term rates. If it's longer-term capital gains could apply. Either way, be prepared for the taxman to knock. Also, if your fund has any exit load period, switching before it ends may definitely cost you. Most equity funds charge an exit load if you redeem before 12 months, usually around 1%. So check your holding period before you hit the submit button. Another important thing, this isn't a real-time process. It generally takes 4 working days for the switch to go through. So don't worry if you don't see changes immediately. Be patient. Mutual fund systems can take a little time to reflect updates. And one last reminder, you cannot directly convert a direct plan into a regular plan in a single step without redeeming your investment. It's not a behind-the-scenes toggle, it's a full exit and re-entry. Now, more importantly, why would someone switch from a direct plan to a regular plan? Often, it's because they realize that investing isn't just about picking low-cost options. It's about having a well-thought-out strategy guided by someone who understands your financial goals, risks, and timeline. If you've been managing it all yourself but want someone to work with you, help you avoid mistakes, and regularly review your portfolio, that's where we come in. At iThought MFD, we don't just help you invest, we help you invest wisely. So if you're considering a switch and want it done right with all the right considerations in place, reach out to us. We'll not only help you with the process, but also help you build a plan that works best for you.